Hi everybody, we're going to learn about the verb estar, as you can see here on the side of the page. Okay, and estar means to be. That's why we have our great friend Shakespeare here, to be or not to be. So estar looks like an AR verb. Okay, you can see that. And it is slightly irregular, but for all intents purposes, it works like an AR verb. And I'm going to show you how it's almost just like an AR verb, but slightly different. Okay, so we need to know when to use estar. Like I said, it means to be. And here's a little rhyme to help you remember it. How you feel or where you are, always use the verb estar. Okay, so we've already seen the verb ser, and you know that means to be as well. And that's when we want to talk about origin, like where you're from. Okay, and description, so saying what you look like. And that's not how you feel, that's what you look like. Okay, so how you feel or where you are, always use the verb estar. So, the verb estar, el verbo estar. Now, you can see you're going to drop the AR just like you did with regular AR verbs. And if you notice, the endings are all the same except for they have acento. You see the little accent marks here. And this says estoy instead of esto. So if you can repeat with me, yo estoy, tú estás, él, ella, usted está, nosotros estamos, notice no accent mark, okay, ellos, ellas, ustedes están. Okay, and now if you really like to write, you're really concrete and you want to know exactly what everything means, I'm going to write down the meanings in English. And you need to write them down on in your notes. I don't know where you're taking notes. Okay, so this is I am, you are, he, she, you formal. So this could be he, she is, or it could be you formal are. We are, you all, or they are. So you should definitely have this written down. You should definitely have the conjugations, estoy, estás, está, estamos, están. You should have accent marks, and if you want to, you need to write down the meaning. Pause if you need to. Okay, entonces, usos de estar, when to use estar. Estar is used to tell the location of a person or a thing. And I'll give you some examples. So for location, so you can write down, estar is for location. It goes with our rhyme. How you feel and where you are, always use the verb estar. For example, el libro está in el escritorio. Okay, there's the book on the desk. The book is on the desk. Okay, so that's location. Los estudiantes están en la clase de español. Where are the students? That's location. The students are in Spanish class. Okay, estar is also used to tell the condition or how someone is. So, how you feel. This is how you feel. How you feel. It may be how you feel or maybe how someone else feels. So, for example, we learned ¿Cómo estás? At the beginning of the year, and I could say estoy bien. Okay, that's how I feel. I'm using estar. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien. Por ejemplo, Señora Pereira está enojada. Señora Pereira is angry. Okay? And ella está cansada. She is tired. Again, using Estar, to talk about how I feel sleepy, so I wrote she is tired. Okay? So, estar, things that you need to remember. Repaso, review of the video. Estar, it conjugates like AR, okay? It's like the AR verbs. Okay, the AR verbs go o, as, a, amos, an. And I'm telling you that this is almost like that, except for it goes oi, as, accent, a, accent, amos, an, accent. Okay? So it has a weird yo form, and it has some accents. And how you feel and where you are, always use the verb estar. So from your vocab card, oopsie, I don't want to do that. No, I didn't want to. For your vocab card, I think I need to do this touch thing. If you look on your vocab card in class, you will see that we have a section called Say Where Things Are. Okay, say where things are located, and talk about how you feel. Okay, here we are, talk about how you feel. These are all words that you can use with this star. So you could say something is next to. Está al lado de. Está cerca de. So these sections, when you get into class, you can remember that these are to be used with estar. Okay? So how do you feel? Estoy cansada. How do you feel? ¿Cómo estás? Estoy contenta. Estoy deprimida. Estoy emocionada. Estoy enojada. Okay? ¿Dónde estás? Where are you? ¿Dónde estás? You can use that up here. ¿Dónde estás? Estoy dentro de la escuela. Estoy cerca del centro Stras. Estoy lejos de Texas. Okay? O estoy lejos de Mexico. I'm far from Mexico. So these two sections of your card are going to be what we use with estar. So I will see you in class tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the video.